Hi guys, how are you doing? Canadian here, and this is a tutorial on how to deal with Garmin Edge 520 and maybe some similar devices. I just newly purchased this one, as you may know already, and I decided to make this series of videos for dummies because I'm dummy when it comes to such GPS devices. Using them is not always very intuitive, even though the interface is, but putting some maps, putting some GPS tracks is sometimes tricky, but once you learn it, it will be quite easy. So let's just do it right now. We do have some basic maps on this device, but these are not super helpful when we go like cross country. I just wanted to check yesterday some racing track for next weekend, and I really needed some extra map. This is how you do it. So let's just go for the website. We're gonna be downloading our maps from the garmin.openstreetmap.nl. So that's the website you're gonna go for, and here we can see basically a whole world, like everywhere, anywhere you would go, you will find some map of that area. So let's just go for some, I don't know, Germany or anything. In order to download some map to your computer, you use this interface here. And the easiest way, in my opinion, is to check this box, enable manual tile selection. So we don't have to be choosing like Africa, Europe or anything. You just click this box, and then we'll be simply checking or unchecking some boxes. In order to uncheck it, I'm clicking it with Control on my keyboard. So let's just find one. Let's say I want to go there. It's just someplace in Germany. In order to download this area, I simply put here my email address, right? And then click build my map, and that's it. We are done with this website after doing this. Just make sure that you don't exceed the memory of your device, right? So once you did it, you will receive two emails. The first one is just like this, and it's basically only the confirmation, so it's like a spam actually. They will just tell you that you successfully requested a Garmin map on da-da-da-da, and that's it. But the second one that comes will include this link, and when we click this link, that's the place where we can download our map from. Now I wasn't sure what should I be clicking here. I'm on the Windows on my computer, and I don't know how does it go for Apple or is it called Ubuntu or so. I thought I should be clicking this one like Windows Exe, but it's not like that. We just click this one with micro SD, and when we click this link here, so that's the only thing we should know here, we will download to our computer the zip file. After downloading it, I have it here on my screen. It looks just like this, and it's zipped file, so you unzip it, and that's it. That's what you're gonna need. Another thing that we need is our device, which is Garmin Edge 520 in this case. This one is already connected to my computer. Some would say that you should open Garmin Connect software, but I'm simply opening this device as the external memory, and that's it. Then I'm clicking Garmin, and I can see all the files I have on this. Like it's like the SD card, like external memory, right? Once I've done this, I will see here this file called gmap bmap, and that's the map that we get like stock from Garmin, which is like super basic. Gmap bmap, and the only thing we have to do is to replace it with the map that we just downloaded. But in order to do it, it's good to create some folder that I just named Garmin Edge 520 map, and I just cut this one and I just pasted it here. So this map I removed from my Garmin. This one here is now on this folder, and it's just as a backup. Probably I'm not gonna be using it anymore. And the map here that we just downloaded is not called Gmap Bmap, but Gmaps app. What I did was to copy it and paste it here, and then I renamed it for Gmap Bmap, and that's it. After I've done it, I simply copied it and pasted it here. So the file you can see here, Gmap Bmap, is already the one from the folder I downloaded, and the one that was here is now here on this folder, just as a backup. So simply removing the original one and putting the new one, but with the same name, Gmap and Bmap, and that's it. We are done right now. Also, some would say that we have to switch off and switch on this Garmin once again, but I think that I haven't done this, and my Garmin already loaded a new map, and it looks very nice. It's really helpful. That's it for this tutorial. On the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download some track to your map that you already have, like some Strava segment or some racing track. I'm gonna be racing next Sunday, because then we have to know where to put this new file to your Garmin Edge 520. So that will be in the next dummy tutorial, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.